All right, let's try one homework problem. It's number 14. I did want to point out just the general instructions for all of the homework problems you're going to be doing. Each one has a part A and a part B, so don't forget to do that for each one of your homework problems tonight. And for each one, they do want you to test the claim. And of course, we will be using the p-value method. We are not using critical values. And then they also want you to construct a confidence interval. So we know how to do both of those. Let's take a look. 14 says, same study as preceding exercise number 13. Same groups of students took a non-proctored test. Results are given below. Test, okay, here's the important part, right? Test the claim. Test the claim that the samples are from populations with the same mean. So group 1, group 2, both non-proctored. There's a little typo in your text right there. Non-proctored. So really we have mean 1 and mean 2, and we're testing the claim that they're the same. So I'm going to say group 1 has the same mean as group 2. That's one of the claims. The opposite claim then would have to be that group 1 and group 2 don't have the same means. The one with the equals sign is null. The one with the not equal sign is the alternative. And we have our sample information right here. I should note the significance level. It has been changed to 0.01. But with that, we are ready to grab stat disk. So alternative hypothesis for us was that mean 1 was not equal to mean 2, and the significance level was 0.01. I went ahead and filled in the numbers here so we can save a little bit of time, and we will, as always, stay out of the pool. No pool. Evaluate that one. And we get a p-value of 0.44433. Which means if the null is true, the samples are not unusual. There is a little bit of difference in the means, but it's well within the range of just normal sample variation. So this doesn't prove that two groups are different. So samples are not unusual, so don't reject null. So when we can't reject the null, we'll basically say for our sentence, there's no evidence that the average test results for the two groups. No evidence that they're different. Again, be careful not to say that they're the same. We don't know they're the same. The samples certainly weren't the same, 70 versus 74, but those just aren't different enough that we consider them to be proof of a difference. Okay, so there's our hypothesis test. That was part A, right? So for part B, we still need to construct that confidence interval. And the confidence interval is given right here, negative 17.7 to 9.8. I'm not going to write the sentence out this time. You should be able to write a sentence for this, and you should be able to explain what it means. And keep in mind, it is how much bigger group 1 is than group 2. So this time the sentence would say, group 1 had a test average anywhere from 18 lower to 10 higher than group 2. Keep in mind the minus means lower and then the positive means higher than the other group. So yeah, group 1, 18 lower to 10 higher than group 2 on average. All right, there are a few homework problems that are going to make you type the numbers in, and you know how to use that data entry part on StatDisk. But other than that, I think you are fully prepared. So go to it on 9.3, and then we will branch out on 9.4. See you then.